Today's video is about the Klein forged wire strippers and cutters. I did pick these up at Lowe's and I wanted to show them to you. I think I've seen a few videos out there where the people have had these for a little bit. I actually had to order these from Lowe's and then they came in.
You're gonna get me one of those.
I had to wait about a week to pick them up, but I actually, picked them up from the drop box at Lowe's, so I wanted to show them to you. Now these wire strippers are slim forged for optimal comfort during extended electrical work. So I have the other pair of original pair of curved wire strippers, but actually have them at work. But they're very, very similar. I do like the fact that these are skinnier. These are a little bit lighter than traditional wire strippers. These Milwaukees that I have are actually fairly heavy. These are a lot, you can tell these are actually a lot lighter. And I just like the setup of them. They're just really, really nice. The grips are knurled in there. And I don't know how, it has an internal spring. So I don't know how they actually got the spring in there. It must be burrowed down in there, and it does actually have a lock where you can lock them and then they won't come open, won't spring open on you, and you push the lock and it comes undone. Now they did come up with a yellow handled set of these, but the only difference that I saw was the yellow handled ones did not have the crimper in it. So I think they probably started with the yellow ones first and then decided to add a crimper after that. And of course you have the two 632 and 832 holes to do your cutting screws for electrical outlets and stuff like that. And you got the cutters, and then these pliers strip 8 to 18 gauge of solid wire and 10 to 20 gauge of stranded wire. Now the blade design maximizes leverage for easy cutting. The internal spring allows for easy self-opening, which I thought was pretty cool. It's in the little lever. A lot of times these little levers get in the way, and they're a little hard to actually flip. This one's super easy, and it's got a little kind of knurling on one side, so it's a lot easier to grab than most that I've seen before. So that's pretty cool. I like that. The knurled plier jaws grabs and twists up to 3 12-gauge wires. So if you can see that, and it's got some really, really good grips on it. The 632 and 832 bolt cutters built in, which is pretty nice. So you can cut the machine screws if you're working on electrical boxes and stuff like that. The crimper is built into the handle, which I really, really like, and it actually gets down there really, really well. So some of the crimpers, this one here on the Milwaukee one, it's kind of hidden almost, and it's with this little lever, it's kind of hard. Sometimes the lever gets in the way, so you have to kind of push it out of the way when you're doing it. And I've used these these are fairly old, so I've been having, kind of using them non-stop. But these new wire strippers, I haven't taken these to work yet. I do a fair amount of electrical work and stuff at work, so I'm gonna take these to work and give them the old 1-2 try and see how they fare up. They have a 5-star rating on Lowe's right now, which is, I don't know, hard. A lot of times you don't see a 5-star rating everywhere, but like I said, I had to order these and let them come in because they were out of stock. So again, $31.98 at the time of this video. I think these are really, really decent pliers. I think anybody kind of be happy to have a pair of these. I think these would make a great Christmas gift if you can get them before Christmas. Again, you might want to just order them online, have them shipped to store or whatever, because every time I go to the store to look for them, they're always gone. They did have the yellow handle ones, but they didn't have any of these. So I would definitely reach out and look online first before you go I'm not an affiliate with Lowe's or anything, so, but I'll leave a non-affiliate link in the description. I won't make any commission or anything off of it. I just help you find them a little easier. And if you're getting good value out of my channel, I appreciate it if you go down and hit the like and subscribe button. Hit the bell icon, you'll get notified when I post a new video or go live. This is Timothy or Tuman back at you.
I'll be back.